Hello guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. In today's video I'm going to show you can get rid of these two signs over here, the flashing oil indicator and the yellow surface indicator of an Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Building year is 2016. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, have the ignition turned off. Then we're going to use the accelerator and the brake pedal. Press the accelerator all the way down, then press the brake pedal 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're gonna hold both of the accelerator and the brake pedal. Ignition is still turned off for about 60 seconds, all the way down. After the 60 seconds, it's about right now, release the brake pedal and wait for a few seconds. Then the next step is turn the ignition on. Then go back to the accelerator and the brake pedal. The accelerator is still all the way down. Press the brake pedal 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. The ignition is on. Accelerator and the brake pedal are fully pressed all the way down, and for another 60 seconds. Brake pedal and the accelerator pedal fully pressed. Okay, after the 60 seconds, release the brake pedal. Then the next step is to turn the ignition off. The brake pedal is released, the accelerator fully depressed still, and wait for about 60 seconds again. It must be 60 seconds. Then release the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. Then we're gonna do the check by starting the car. Turn ignition on. Wait for start the car. Ignition turned off. Start again, and you'll see that the flashing oil surface indicator has disappeared. Sometimes you need to restart the car twice, just what I did, but it must disappear when doing all these steps in the right order. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for your patience, and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.